Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company The Adeline Group. They're looking for a writer of gardening, plants, and the environment. It pays up to $15 an hour. We're looking for a writer experienced in gardening. Hobbyist level is fine. The role is supporting Fresh Earth Bistro, aiding in the creation of curriculum for children and adults. This role will also be responsible for writing blog posts, education curriculum, training documents, and marketing ad copy. It's the perfect side hustle role for folks who enjoy gardening and writing. We're a chill and passionate team working to help secure tomorrow's harvest through education and enablement. Check out freshartbistro.com to get a sense of the company and mission. Role overview: 1099 contract role, no benefits. 3 hours per week to start, $15 an hour. This is fixed, so if we only give you 30 minutes of work for the week, you'll still be paid for the 3 hours. We're doing some exciting things. Bring your energy and good ideas. This role will grow with the company. We expect to have a lot more opportunities in the future. Job types: part-time, contract. Pay up to $15 per hour. Schedule: self-determined schedule. Experience: gardening, 3 years preferred. Writing, 5 years preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.